I'm in the Loop, a short walk from Millennium Park and the fabulous Riverwalk, steps from Macy's and State Street shops, from downtown theaters, Daily Plaza, and a wide variety of restaurants. I'm headed across the street for a walk through one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished short-term apartments at Marquee at Block 37. Marquee is a pet-friendly, high-amenity building with a large rooftop fitness center that includes a wide variety of cardio and strength training equipment. The landscaped sky terrace outside the fitness center has a hot tub and sweeping skyline views. The pool deck overlooks Daily Plaza and has private cabanas, grilling areas, and a dog run. Another outdoor terrace overlooks State Street. Resident lounge areas have coffee service and include a space with gaming tables, a comfortable media room, and a separate space for hosting events. The apartments have indoor access to the Block 37 shops, dine-in movie theaters and restaurants, and to the CTA Red and Blue Line stops and the underground pedway system. Looking at the foyer of apartment 2009, where there's a hall console table to drop your keys. Spinning around for a look at main living, dining, kitchen area of this one-bedroom apartment. It's a second coat closet, set up with an ironing board, iron, etc., off to the left. Just past that, you got a louvered door, full-size in-unit washer-dryer, and then this very sleek kitchen with white quartz counters, large undermount sink, stainless steel appliance package that includes a built-in microwave, dishwasher, 4-burner gas range, and since it's Sweet Home Chicago, it's kitted out with everything you're going to need or want to feel right at home and spend some time. It's a welcoming package, countertop appliances, cutlery, cookware, dinnerware, everything. Attractive pendant lighting over the breakfast bar peninsula here. Then a nice-sized living area. Flat panel TV, phone, home office desk, looking out over Randolph Street, the heart of the theater district here. Nederlander Theater directly across the street. It's a very nice sized living dining area here. Heading back toward the bedroom, a very attractively finished bath. It's a wide vanity with a bank of drawers and a large walk-in shower. Plank flooring that you saw in the living area that extends into the bedroom. Floor-to-ceiling windows add light. And then you have a closet that's a walk-in. Comes set up with laundry basket and additional linens. Sweet Home Chicago offers a sweet deal in a great location in a building with terrific amenities. Definitely belongs high on your must-visit list.